If you're getting graphic or sensitive content warning on Twitter X while scrolling on iPhone, in this video I'll show you how to turn them off and quickly fix your feed. Alright, so for that, first you need to temporarily uninstall or delete Twitter app on iPhone. Since this option is not available in the app, we need the browser, but it just keeps redirecting to the app. That's why you are recommended to uninstall it. Now open any browser of your choice and search for x.com. Enter the site. You'll end up in the login page. Just go ahead and log in with your X account in here. Now after logging into X from browser, tap on your profile picture, scroll down and go to settings and privacy. From there to privacy and safety, and then go to content UC option. Now here, your work is simple. First, make sure to check display media that make content sensitive content, and then go to search settings and make sure hide sensitive content option is unchecked. And that's all. Get out of here. Just go ahead, reinstall the app once again. Log into your app, and hopefully you will no longer see the sensitive content warning again. Thanks for your time.